Has anybody heard about brand archetypes? So brand archetypes are based on psychology, 12 desires and values of human nature. And if you look at a very big established brands like IKEA, Apple, Disney, they're very, very well aware of this system. Nowadays, again, going back to the noisy world, relying just on one is not enough anymore. Ideally, you would like to mix 2 or 3 archetypes to create a very unique brand. And the more contrasting it is, the more empowering and successful it's going to be. Once you determine your archetypes, and this is something we do as an exercise when we design a space, what are the attributes or anchor points that clients will remember you by? Is it a really crazy pattern or color combination that's really unique? We'll go through some of the examples of the fashion houses that we all know. So the first example is Dior, Christian Dior, and they combine 2 archetypes, magician and lover. Magician is known for mystery, visionary, luxury, dreamlike mythology, long dresses, zodiac-based jewelry styles. And the lover part is about indulgence. It's about softness, intimacy, connections. So they do it really well together because, again, you see that everything is more soft, more elegant, playful in a way, but very gentle at the same time. A bit of a contrast, Louis Vuitton. Their 2 archetypes that they're combining is explorer and ruler. So explorer is about comfort, travel, longevity. Colors are more earthy, if you notice. And ruler is about exclusivity. It's about being rigid, royal, structured, controlled. So even if you see in all of their, let's say, handbags or jewelry, they're very heavy on their logo as well, creating that exclusive vibe that you have to be good enough to kind of achieve it. Gucci is lover and jester. Lover, as I mentioned before, is about soft, sensual, intimate, a bit feminine. There's ruffles and sparkles and things like that. But then they add this jester vibe as well. Jester is about being playful, colorful, mocking a couple of things here and there. So even if you see on the images, some things are added together that kind of feel a little bit absurd, but it works. There is another archetype called outlaw or rebel. It's very similar to jester, but if I had to kind of differentiate the 2 vibes, jester is a bit more approachable in a way.